Okay, so here we are at the intersection of Port Royal Road and Braddock Road, getting ready to turn left onto Braddock Road. Can we get a shot of the clock here real quick? As you can see, it's about 6:15. So we're in rush hour here. Okay, so here we are waiting to turn left on, and you can pan back out a little bit when we get going because I want to see. Okay, that's good. So we're waiting to turn left, and we got a left turn arrow here. We're turning onto let's turn off of Port Royal Road onto Braddock Road. So left turn onto Braddock Road. Here we go. Alright, we go left. We go left. Now that was the second one. So now we need to start getting over to our right because eventually we are going to go right down here, 2 lights down at the bottom of the hill. So you see, once we turn left out of Port Royal at this time of day, you get held up here at this light at Audrey Moore Rec Center. I'm not sure the name of the street. It is, I never remember the name of the street. I just refer to it as Audrey Moore. But this is a cross street between here and Wakefield Chapel. So at this time of day, you go left out of Port Royal, and then the timing of the lights, you're held here at the light at Audrey Moore. And then the light turns green, and we proceed. And then I'm going to want to get one more right when I get a gap in traffic. So on the signal. And this nice gentleman is letting me over, so this is traffic proceeding about normally for this time of day. And you can see up ahead, can you see up ahead, pull the traffic light? Robert, it has already turned green. All right, that's the traffic light for westbound Braddock has already turned green straight through. And this timing is consistent. It's basically impossible. It's not basically, it is impossible to get from a left turn on Port Royal to Wakefield Chapel Road before this light turns green. All right. By the time you get down here, this light is definitely going to be green, and it is a long green light. You can see it'll last well beyond the point that we get through it. So we're in the right-hand travel lane here, and as we approach Wakefield Chapel, can you see the light? You get in view of the light there, Robert? And as we approach Wakefield Chapel, we got a right turn lane here, and we pull into it. And you can see even with traffic slowed considerably, you know, this light's staying green. It's going to be green for a long time. Here we go. We're in our right turn, and this is see pulling into Wakefield Chapel, and there you have it. So that's a right turn from Wakefield Chapel from Braddock Road onto Wakefield Chapel, demonstrating the timing of the lights. Okay, and that's it. Can you stop?